Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author and trading view with over 190k reputation points. In this video, I will be taking a pair, breaking it down from a technical and order flow perspective. And in doing so, I will provide as much free education as possible. So I really suggest that you stick to the video till the end, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about USDCAD because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. Starting here in the monthly, what we can see is that the market has just broken above a very strong area of previous monthly resistance, which now that the market has broken it to the upside is turned support. And as we broke above the area with this green candle, the market then went for the retest with the next monthly candle, testing the previous monthly resistance turn support and starting to reject it to the upside. So here in the monthly, everything seems pretty bullish and we could expect more potential bullish continuation. We can also see how we had a series of higher lows and at the same time we had equal highs, which classifies this pattern as an ascending trend line from which we do expect break, retest and continuation higher. Dropping down on the weekly time frame, what do we have? From a weekly perspective, we did see the market create this W formation here, after which we wanted to see the move to the downside, completion at the neckline, and then continuation to the upside, which is in fact exactly what the market is currently doing. So from here, we could expect more potential continuation to the upside. Dropping down the daily, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, I spoke about USDCAD a few days ago after the market printed this M pattern. When the market was around this area, I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which we could expect this potential rejection to the upside. The market gave us that. And by the way, I will link in the description this previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. However, now that the market has broken to the upside, where do we have the new structure? Now, looking left, we can notice how this area was the previous level of daily resistance here, again here and again here, which now that the market has broken it to the upside is turned support at this level. So what we could expect at this point is a retest of this previous resistance turn support before then getting a potential rejection to the upside. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, and we check the data for the CAD, we can see how with the last reports, net positions have been decreasing. We went from having 26.8k net positions down to having 12.4k net positions. So overall on the CAD, institutions are shifting to the negative side, so the bearish side, which means that USDCAD is shifting to the bullish side, because a weakness of the CAD is exactly what we need for USDCAD to continue higher. So in this case, if the market will actually go and retrace to this previous resistance turn support, this is a very interesting area inside of which we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. So if we get this retracement, how we could be approaching this move? Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point, we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and this kind of things, that is all part of the mentorship program, which you can find at transparentfxtrading.com. Here you have the possibility to gain access to my entire course with all the rules of the strategies. You also have the possibility to gain access to one-on-one private mentoring, the VIB market breakdowns with the Telegram signals, the COT data software, which is the one that we used in this analysis, as well as the trading station software, which puts together everything that you need as a trader all in one interface. And if you scroll lower, you will see that at the moment I'm running a special promotion in which you can access the mentorship program with a discount. And if you open an account with the forex broker Blueberry Markets, with which I have partnered from the student dashboard, you have the possibility to gain a full refund credited back into your trading account. And if you scroll lower, you will see that from here you have the possibility to join and gain automatically access with email and password that you will create during the checkout. So definitely looking forward to have you on board. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis for all of you, and I'll see you in my next video.